Hello you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. So today is Vlogmas day 7. I hope you guys are enjoying the Vlogmases so far. Let me just say, I am a terrible vlogger because, honey, it is now 2:05. I ain't picked up this camera not once, and I've been out and about since like 10 this morning. So I had a doctor's appointment this morning, and then I went and got a mani-pedi. I actually got red on my toes this time. Shocker. I usually get white, but I was like, you know, let me be festive or whatever. Got my nails. I don't really do anything on my nails. I just do like a buff and shine. They do a really, really good job. They're really healthy right now, but I am itching to get some acrylics, but I'm gonna try not to. So today is my nephew's first birthday. I'm so happy. We having his boss baby, okay? Because he's a boss baby. Birthday party tomorrow. So yeah, there's things to do. Bath and Body Works is having their sale on their candles today. So we are at On Cue. We're about to get some gas. And then we're going to meet up with Mama, go to my nephew's daycare to do cupcakes and sing happy birthday. And then we'll go to Bath and Body Works. I pray I remember to pick up this camera because I sure don't forgot all day. But yes, so if you haven't already subscribed, honey, join the gang, join the family. And yeah, let's go.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too.
When the daddy came, he ate a piece of pizza and some pineapples or something. His daddy fed it to him. And yesterday she fed her that, and then she had to go fix him something else because he was just howling when she got up. And I just knew he was gonna throw up. I said, "You gonna throw that food? Come on, you didn't throw it up."
If you don't eat this cupcake and be merry.
Y'all ready to sing happy birthday? Come on. Let's sing it real loud. Sing it loud. Sing it over here, Brian.
Happy birthday to Ricky. Happy birthday to you. Aww. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Eat it.
Now eat that.
Eat it.
Nothing to hide but falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together all the way.
Oh, y'all think my camera's blurry. Why does this car in front of me have a tag that says, what's 8? That's August, right? August 8th. No, August 20th, 2020. No, boo-boo. You got to go get your tag, boo-boo. It is December. Y'all know these are temporary tags for like 30 days. Let's see where they about to go. If they pull up at DD's, you ain't got no business at DD's. You got to go get that tag. Anywho, let me mind my business, because, you know, you never know what people got going on. But, anywho, we're about to go in D.I.Y's, y'all. Because, oh, Lord, they going to D.I.Y's. Anywho, like I said, let me mind my business. We about to go to D.I.Y's. Because I need to go get my nephew some clothes for his birthday. His mama said he needs some clothes, honey. So that's what we about to go do. So let's go.
Oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's through this part of the year we have something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey! Take. Walking around, you and me. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year. Something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love. That's right.
Here comes the jolly season again with the sleigh bells and choirs singing. But I hear no church bells ringing out for me. This year I've been nothing but good, Santa Claus. I hope you to see and put some big fat golden stars in your book for me. Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me, Santa, it's Christmas about love. It's the only thing on my wish list. That's someone special to kiss. People of today.
Woo. Okay, y'all. I think we got a lot of good stuff in D.I.Y's. This poor man right here in this van, he was chilling in the car, looking at his phone. Wife or something probably in there shopping. I come out now, he sleep. Man, the good men, they really do be going through a lot for us though when we out shopping and shit. So, you good men out there, my husband, we appreciate y'all, okay? Because we love to shop. Anywho, so we got all the goods. Now we about to head to Mama's house.
That's crazy, dog.
What? Look at him.
Need the latest stuff to even start to believe that someone
Yeah, and it be all in your face.
Not today. Let's go out to
Watch his head, dear.